I think I'm gonna have to go about it sideways.
Sideways.
I'm gonna have to tip it over and then roll sideways.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. How do we?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Box.
Tell me when to go.
I'm gonna tip you over on your side, okay?
Okay.
And then I'll just roll it. Hopefully that'll work. Okay, here I go. Okay, are you ready for this?
Yeah.
I don't think it may not work, but.
Ready.
Okay. I think the top broke. Are you okay? That was hilarious. Okay, I want to try it. Can you get out?
Thanks.
Nice. Okay.